So here on the Wix editor, you want to choose where you want to put the download button on your Wix site. And then after that, you want to click on add element at the left side of your screen. And then go to button right here. And then here on the button, you can just choose any theme of the button that you want to add. But I want to choose on this one for this video. Just click on it, or you can drag it. After that, just click again on the button and then click on settings. Here on the button settings, you can choose on what to display and then also the text of the button. So you can add, for example, download here and click on enter. On the button itself, you can also make it bigger or smaller, and then you can also place it anywhere on the page. After that, on the button, you want to click right here on the link icon. Just click on it. And then here, you want to choose on document and then click on choose file. Then upload media right here at the top left of your screen and click on upload from computer. Just click on the PDF that you want to add and then click on open. And then after your PDF was uploaded, just click on PDF and then click on add to page at the bottom right of your screen. And there you go. The PDF is added and then click on done. Either way, you can actually do this on any element on the Wix. So you can do it on the text or even on the image, as long as when you click on the specific element, there was this link icon. And then if I click on preview right here, and then I click on download here, it will automatically download the PDF. There you go. And that's how to let visitors download files from your Wix website. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.